Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to save a data frame as CSV file. Till now we have done a lot of operation with CSV file after importing it. Right now we are doing just opposite. First we will create a data frame and after that we will save the data frame as CSV file. So how to do? It is very simple. First you need to take a file, save the file. So I am saving the file with the name CSV or data frame to CSV. You can write any name. I am writing here. Okay, so I have saved the file. Now in the comment section I will write saving data frame as CSV file. So first task is to write import panda as pd. Now I need a record, so I am writing emp equal to sign, then the curly braces. So the first is I am taking emp id, employee id. So suppose for employee id 231 456 705 409. Then the next is employee name. So the first name comma second name comma third name comma last name. So the first name is Tanisha, the second is Tanvi, next is Upasna, then the last is Urvashi. Okay, so all are ladies, woman empowerment. The next is salary. So let me write the salary. It is 25,000 suppose, then 81,000 comma 60,000 comma 51,000 and the last grade, and grade it is B1 comma A1 comma E1, single quote I am using everywhere, so single quote, you can use double quote also, and the last is A2 suppose. Now we have record. Now we need to create the data frame for the same. So df is equal to pd dot data frame, then emp, then comma columns, first is emp id comma second is ename, next salary, and last is grade. And it is very simple. Now we need to display first, so first print, and after that we will convert into CSV file. So first I am writing here displaying the data frame with emp as record. because AMP is the record. Now right here print df data frame, save the file, then run the code. So it should display the entire, yes, displaying the data frame. I am getting the entire record here. Now I need to convert the same record into CSV file. So what you need to do, so first print, and within the bracket converting into CSV file with a new file name. Any file name you can provide. We will write some file name for saving the same. Now the command is, it is very simple, df.csv, sorry, df.to_csv, then open the bracket, then provide the location. So suppose its location is desktop. I'll use the same desktop, but we will give some different file name. So right here, okay, on desktop I am saving the file, put the double slash, now it is only single slash. Now if it is new file dot CSV, and after that print df, save the file and run the code. Okay, I am getting error, invalid argument new file dot CSV. Okay, let me check where is the problem. So it is almost correct. Okay, the problem is I have not written the code to read the file, so it should be the command to read the file, and it is very simple. Df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV, then I need to write the location. So it is given here, just copy and paste it here. Okay, now it is correct, I think. Let me run the file to see the output, whether it is running or not perfectly. Again the problem is open. Okay, so I am not getting any incorrect thing in it, but still it is displaying error. Let me check once again. Yeah, it is again displaying the error. So the problem is it should be double slash. It should be double slash. Now if I save the file, then again if I run the code, yeah, this time I am getting the output. It means it is working. So let me check whether the file has been created by system or not. New file.csv, it should be on desktop. So on desktop, if I see, yes, the file is there. So if I open the file, yes, I can get the entire thing, whatever I have written. It means it is working. So that is all about how to convert the data frame into CSV file. Thank you very much for watching.